nice picnic with delicious Katerno foods, igado, sausage, chicken, kilagwin,
Pork
fruits,
sausages.
mangoes, spicy mangoes, hopia,
Hopia.
please, and watermelon.
So we are now in Port Hope. Next stop is Port Charity. Then Port Love. Faith Hope Charity.
Hello, hello. We're now eating lunch in Memorial Park in Port Hope.
Yeah, and Gary said there's so many parks called.
Yay!
It's like both shots. Hey, muscle.
Wow, it feels
Say hi. Where's Richard? Oh, there's Richard.
Richard, explain the weather.
It's the end of June and it's extremely chilly. It's probably only 15 or 17 degrees. There's constant wind, but we are here to celebrate Canada Day while watching the Lego Movie. A great film from 2014.
Again, 20.
14.
So that was 10 years ago.
Yes. Starring Chris Pratt and Will Ferrell. And that's everything I know about the movie. Oh, check that. It might fall, so that might make good footage.
Oh, collapse.
5'4". Likes men.
Oh no.
Then when you went to Aries, he said, I can't wait to play netball making game like last time. They played a game right now. I think that's Port Hope.
Port Hope. Is this close to Oshawa?
yeah,
Is it far from Toronto?
about an hour drive.
Okay.
It's
What
only
are you
about 35
drinking,
minutes.
Foodie Lara?
Milk tea.
Milk tea. Where's Ramon?
Washroom. Washrooms close at 8 p.m. It's already... Pero tiyaga naman yung